How awesome is this? This is like, it was like a €5, seriously. Now, I might be lying, I actually got this thing as a present, but get a load of this. This is 27 years old. You know what? Let me change the camera angle a bit. Take a look at this gorgeous beauty. This is 27 years old. Basically, the only thing I need to do is to clean it, and that's it. I don't even need to retrobright this because this looks brilliant. 27 years old. How awesome is this? And I will be actually making this thing my main keyboard because this is beautiful. Now I don't have any clue how to disassemble this thing, but first thing I will be doing is oh, this is 99% alcohol. I do not need it. I need this thing, which is Prelav, and this is the liquid that I actually use to clean well, everything, and I'm actually not associated with them in any way. So first of all, I'll try to clean this thing with Prelav just to see how good it'll look, and then I'll disassemble it. So you know what, first of all I'll take a photo of this thing just to show you before and after picture. I actually need gloves because this Prelav has like a skull. Well, warnings. This is already looking brilliant, but I think that I'll actually will need to retrobright it because it has some unfortunately I will have to retrobright it, most definitely. So let's disassemble the keyboard. So far all the screws are of the same size, which is nice. Now how to disassemble this thing? I need to remove the keys. Yeah, and the reason why I cannot disassemble it because the screws are underneath as well. By the way, after 27 years this is in mint condition, so beautiful. There are many keys in here. Yeah, and this thing, as you can see, I mean it is dirty. You can see it is dirty, but not that much. And I will need to retrobright this thing because I want this thing to look mint. There is a screw in here as well. Okay, so let's unscrew this thing. There are black screws that hold this top part. Okay. Something has been spilled all over the keyboard, but I don't think that it's anything that will actually mess with the keyboard itself. So let's unscrew the electronics. How many screws? Only two. Okay, only two screws. Okay, can I just pull this thing? Yes, I can. Awesome. And basically we'll just clean this thing with isopropyl alcohol, but as you can see, only just a teeny weeny bit here, in here. I don't think that I need to do anything else with it. So I need to remove the cable. Sorry about the noise, that's actually my server, and yeah, he likes to make such sounds. I will be cleaning this thing with the Prelove as well, and I will be placing it into the you know, like a box where I'll retrobright it. Okay, so let's clean this thing. And by the way, this is the original. You know what, I will be actually leaving this thing in the description down below. Again, I'm not sponsored by them in any way, but that lady that actually sells this, she's like awesome. So every time I order a new badge, she always sends me something like for a present, and yeah, I actually want to support her. So you know what, let me zoom in a bit just to show you how good this thing actually is. I'm very happy with this thing. Okay, so as you can see, so in here, or in here, as you can see, this thing is dirty, and let me show you just how good this thing actually cleans. Okay, and as you can see, you get a lot of this. This thing truly is a good thing. Let me zoom out so you can see the rest. I mean, to be honest, I don't even know whether I should retrobright this thing or not. But I think I should, you know. Let's make this thing look very nice, you know. But I would say that this thing looks already nice. So yeah, most definitely the Prelove is a very cool thing. By the way, take a look at the dirt. This thing was clean when we started. And I will clean each key separately because I want this thing to be perfect.
One eternity later.
So yeah, these keys, they aren't yellow at all. But the problem with the keyboard, as you can see, it's actually only in here, yellow in here. Hydrogen peroxide. Okay, I can tell you that this thing stinks. Okay, there is more than enough of this thing. Now I need to make it sink somehow. But you know what? I can actually just turn this thing around and the light will bounce from underneath. So that might be okay. Okay. Two LED reflectors. And this thing looks actually nice. Okay. So 6 hours have passed and I'll leave it in this because I think that this thing has not been that yellow. So you know what? I'll first remove these two UV lights and then we'll see what happened. If anything happened at all. These keys look, wow. Let's see this keyboard from this side. Take a look at this thing. This thing looks brand new. This is awesome. So you know what? First of all, I'll be draining the hydrogen peroxide for another retrobrighting, I guess. This is brilliant. Okay, okay. So first of all, let's clean this thing a bit, and I will be actually rinsing this thing in water because... But look at this thing. This is awesome. But yeah, as you can see, even the bottom part looks brand new. This is awesome. You know what? I kind of figured out that I still need to screw this thing in, so I'll assemble the bottom part first. Done. This is the keyboard, and wow, I mean, doesn't this thing look amazing? So you know what, I'll take a photo and I'll post it. And I'll have to test the keyboard, and yeah, let's try and test it. Subscribe. Oh. Subscribe. Well, there you have it. This is. Take a look at the keyboard. I mean, this thing. This looks brilliant, right? This is awesome. Well, until the next time. Bye.